Mongkol Thamakul. My name is Jan. I am 38 years old. I am from Changsao. I work for Changsao area. Avenue office. I am a technician office. My mobile number is 0871 509. I like to eat chocolate very much. Why? Continue on. I like to listen to the radio and read a book about garden and flower. My pet is a dog. I call my dog is Patu. My hobby call it stamp. There are 4 people in my family. My handsome mother, my handsome, my son, and I. My husband is a bus driver. My son name is Ho Jun. His school is the one station school of Ratchakarn Nakarin University. He is 6 years old. He likes to read a book, watch cartoon, and interest study piano. Today I come to advise the way is good person at work is the way to make the conflict love and receive you. 1. Be respectful. Be appreciative. Do your work that nobody else what to do. 4. Help out colleagues when they can get there on work. 5. Be friendly. 6. Get to extra mile. 7. Let work hard for a hope. 8. Be time conscious. I advise to water is very good. 1. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. 2. Motto. When you love, don't give your all, but give your best. It's not quality about all. It is quality. Why? I like to eat chocolate very much because chocolate has a apparent the benefit of chocolate. The more scientists learn about chocolate, the more amazing chocolate seems. What are the benefits of chocolate? Aside from the feeling of anticipation that all